kung if you can comply, sabi ko, ako na ang magpakain sa inyo kasi wala naman. Sige lang, fight. 52 years of fighting, and you want another 52 years to fight for nothing? Isipin ninyo, ilan ang namatay dito, sundalo? Mga civilian, barangay captains, they are the favorite target. Lalo na mga pro-barangay captain, pro-government, pinapatay ninyo eh. For nothing. The life of a person for nothing. And you want me to, mahirap yan. Drop the arm, stop the fighting, stop the extortion, and I will answer for your billeting kung saan niya gusto. Bomba kayo dito.